To create your WordPress site, first from the dashboard come to WordPress sites. From here, come to the top right and click on Create WordPress Site. Now, put your domain in without the www and then follow it up with the blog title. You can change the blog title at any other point. At this point you can choose a hosting package if you've already got one selected, if not you can choose one from the left. Next up to choose any optional plugins that you can add before you've even gone onto your site. Now to create the site, click on Add WordPress Site on the bottom. Once added, it's going to take a moment just to load up. As you notice, it's got a red SSL certificate, which means it's not activated. To activate this, come over to the blue button on the right hand side. From here you're going to get your name server 1 and 2. These are important, these are the connection between your domain and your hosting. Click them to make a copy. Next we can come over to the dashboard and go over to your domain. From your domain list, make your way down and click the blue action button for the domain that you want to add it to. On the overview page you'll see what name servers are currently connected between your domain and your hosting. To change this, come down and unlock your domain first, and then head over to the name server section. As you can see, we're using the SeekaHost hosting name servers. This means as default you're now connected with your hosting plan. However, if you're using another registrar or you want to add them as custom, you can add the first one in the first line and your second name server in the second line. Make sure they're correct to your WordPress hosting page. We're going to leave this as use SeekaHost hosting name servers. It will then save, come back to overview. It'll display your name servers and then make sure to come down and lock your domain after. Now let's head back over to our WordPress site. Click on the blue action button. You can also check if the name servers are correct by clicking the Leaf DNS link. Here you can see that the two name servers that we've added are showing on here. Now to enable the SSL certificate, go over to SSL. Click the Enable button to enable it. This will now be enabled in 30 minutes. You can manage all the areas of your site by coming over to the right hand side menu. You can also delete your site by coming to the bottom or check the usage. You can get your login information from the Account Manage section and then come down to Site Login to log into your site. From here you can use the information to then log in and start editing. Once your SSL certificate is activated, you'll also get a preview of your site on the left hand side.